Whakatulo watu hou e ki pia mo e kakai whanua. You are listening to PM in Tonga. Malo mo e lau maari a hou e ki pia mo e lele ai kakai whanua. Now, Attorney General David Parker has appointed Samoan Commissioner Ali'i Muamua Sandra Alofivae as a district court judge with a general jurisdiction to be based here in Manukau, Tāmaki Makaurau. The other Pacific person is Tongan lead counsel Tanya Margaret Sharkey, who becomes a district court judge with a family jurisdiction also to be based here in Manukau. Judge Sharkey is joining us right now via Zoom, and an honour to have you, Your Honour. Welcome to our Polokalama, Judge Sharkey.
Hello, John. Thank you for having me. As always.
Whawhetaki e ki, and what a blessing to have you on our Polokalama. We've had you many times, but I think this one is extra special for you and us because, as I mentioned in my introduction, you're one of our newly appointed judges. Tell us, firstly, how you felt when you received the news.
Oh, just as you said before, whakawhetaiki. You know, I feel deeply humbled and blessed to have been given this opportunity. I'm proud. I am proud. I'm proud for my family, for my mum, but for my wider family and the community that I've been a part of for so many years. It's an incredible opportunity. But I'm also grateful because I'm so proud to be Tongan. You know, I'm proud to be a Tongan judge. You know, the first Tongan family court judge. There's got to be a first somewhere appointed to serve the community. But I'm excited as well. Yeah.
Congratulations on this new appointment. Tell us more about this jurisdiction. What does that mean? Because I know your background is in family court, eh?
That's right. So that jurisdiction that I will have, that warrant that I will have, allows me to be in the family court, where I've practiced for the majority of my legal career. So I've been doing family law for about 18 years. So I'm looking forward to bringing the diversity of my background, my identity, and the experiences that I've had into the family court. There will be other areas that I will be in, but family court will be my focus. Yeah.
Yeah, cool, yeah. And it must be fantastic as well that, you know, I guess you're one of two Tongan judges now. I'm not too sure if any other Tongans are in your field, but as you mentioned, you're the first family court judge of Tongan descent.
Yeah, we will claim our Tongan culture and ethnicity wherever we can. We do have Judge Soana Moala. We have Judge Mina Wharepoti.
Yes,
and
of
he
course.
sits in the district court over at Manukau as well, in the criminal courts. But you know, you see the response from the community, especially the Tongan community, has been so overwhelming, and I'm just so honoured. And that's part of the reason, John, why I'm here, to express gratitude to you and to the community for their support. You know, I feel the pride that the people are expressing, and because we are a collective people, you know, we share and we feel joy in each other's achievements. So when I hear and I see the expressions of love and support, that is for all of us. You know, it's for all of us. Not just me.
Whawhetai. And I do apologise, Your Honour. I forgot to mention Mina Wharepoti, the other Tongan Māori judge, who is also an Otahuhu College boy. I just thought I'll add that in there. No one asked.
Maybe that's why you forgot.
No one asked, but I just wanted to mention he's from a great school, Otahuhu College. But if I could bring it back, Your Honour, I want to talk about your Tongan connection. Tell us about that, and how did that kind of form your ideas of the world, and how you landed in the legal space?
Yeah, I was. My father passed away when I was young. I was 7 years old, and before he passed away, he asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, and I said a lawyer. I was then raised by a very humble but hard-working mother. And naturally, when my father passed away, I gravitated towards my Tongan culture. And given the conditions that we were raised in, right, there is socioeconomic deprivation, and disadvantage. I had always considered law would be my career. It's what I promised my dad. And my mum had said to me, no matter what I do, give it my best. And that's what I did. I can see the issues for our people in the community, and that's what attracted me even more to the law, because I felt that, if you don't know your rights, and you can be vulnerable to exploitation and oppression, and that's why I really got stuck into the law. Yeah, and being Tongan has been what has grounded me and been at the forefront of the service that I have given. I have been incredibly blessed to be so well received by our community, and to be able to give back with this appointment. Who could ask for more? I'm so grateful.
Whawhetai, pia mālo e ngā lahi, because we are aware that you have served our community, particularly in recent years with the Pacific hearing. I know that you're very much a part of that. But you graduated with a Bachelor of Laws degree, LLB, in 2003, and was admitted to the bar as a barrister and solicitor of the High Court of Aotearoa, New Zealand in 2003. And you also graduated with a Masters of Law, LLM, degree in 2005 as well. So mālo e ngā and tell me about your career, and surely, these are great things, but I'm sure you must have difficult, challenging times, especially in your space of family law as well. Tell me, how do you navigate, being Pasifika, because I'm sure there are the tough days as well, when it's our own kāinga that are coming through when you're presiding over that.
That's right. And I think, I was so fortunate to have been raised with the values that are so near and dear to us. Whakapapa, tauhiwā, that is so important. Relationships have got me everywhere, right? Mamahi i mea, I am passionate and loyal, right, to the communities that I've served. But lototo, in terms of, that value of just humility is what's really driven me, and I think has made me as successful as I have been to date. But that is how I've been able to deal with all the issues that I've had to navigate. I feel so privileged to be able to be in a position, when I was a lawyer as well, to be able to help those less fortunate and to understand the system and the process to help our people even more. And that has given me a great satisfaction. It's helped me immensely, but at the foundation of that is my faith, and faith has always been the basis.
That's beautiful.
That's how I've gotten through.
Moni, pita whawhetai. And now that you've become the first family court judge of Tongan descent for us here in Aotearoa, do you hope this will inspire others to, follow on in your footsteps, especially the legal system, or becoming a lawyer? And it's great to see, especially with the Pacific Islands Law Association. I know you're part of that as well, and thank you for that wonderful work and supporting and nurturing our upcoming lawyers. But is this something you hope will continue on from here?
Yes, I've always had a special place in me for the students, and the youth. And if I can do it, then, those of our youth who aspire or dream to do the same thing, they know that they can, because there are more of us heading in this direction, and there is space for others to come through. It's so important, that we have that diversity of background, identity, and experience. And I want our youth and our students to know anything is possible. If you put your mind to it, anything is possible. And I will still be out there doing what I can for the students.
Malo Apito, Your Honour, it is an honour to have you on our Polo Kalama, and I'm just so excited saying that all the time now, Judge Sharkey. It's fantastic. We are very
It takes getting used to. It's going to take me some getting used to.
Yes, and referring to as Your Honour now, because I'm sure you've said it many times over the years practicing as a lawyer, but now that's you. But thank you once again for always making time for us. We are very grateful for your time and your continuous service for our Pasifika, and in particular our Tongan kāinga in Aotearoa. O whalahi atu kia koe, Judge Sharkey. We are very